Say, O people of the book, come to terms common between us and you. That we worship none but God, and that we associate nothing with him, and that none of us takes others as lords besides God. And if they turn away, say, bear witness that we have submitted.
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear young brothers, please let me know about the activities which were carried out yesterday, or let me know about the formats which we tried to understand, or in other words which was discussed yesterday. Which format was discussed yesterday? Format number 2.
Yes, sir.
So you ready for the revision or to attempt to know the oral test?
Yes, sir.
You ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Please. So come on the dais over here. Let me make some other arrangements. No, please. Stay like that. Come over here. Ah, yes, correct. Mohsin. Correct. No, I think no. There is. Just get closer. Okay. All of you are visible?
Yes, sir.
See. Usman, if you better move forward towards the door, okay. Shanwaz better. No. Mohsin is not visible. What should be done? Interchange the places, no, your position. No, I'm talking about that position of Shanwaz, the data, no. And Usman, you too. No, what do you say? What do you say right now?
Sir.
All of you are visible?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
See, are you ready for the test?
Yes, sir.
See, very simple question, no? That you're supposed to make as many sentences as possible following the format. Example, which I am now giving right now. Before I enter my house, before I enter my house, I knock at the door. Clear? Like that. Before I enter my house, I knock at the door. Clear? Please follow the example.
Before I enter my home,
Okay?
I ring at bell.
Very good. Before you enter your home, you ring the bell.
Yes.
Let's see. Please.
Before I enter my
No, it's not necessary that you should. Before and after that, talk about some activity.
yes,
For example, before I start my food, I recite Tasmiyah. I remember Allah Almighty. I recite Bismillah wa ala barakatillah. No clear?
yes,
Points clear or not?
Yes.
Like that. Before and then no, the second part of the sentence which is there, that what do you do? Please.
Before I drive the bike, I check the petrol.
Very good. Before you kicked the motorbike, that's a kick, no? Before you kick the motorbike, you check
The fuel.
the fuel. Excellent. I love you, Mohsin. I love you, Mohsin. I do too. इतने मेरे को लोग डरते हैं, I can't understand. Really, मैं इतना बेज़रर हूँ, आप सोच भी नहीं सकते। यार मैं चिट्टा मेरा सिर हो गया, चिट्टी दाढ़ी हो गई, और बंदा हुन भी डरते हैं। See, love you, Mohsin. I do
Yes.
too. अब चार पाई गो जबरदस्ती, बिल्कुल जबरदस्ती।
I do too.
हाँ, I do too. Love you, Usman.
I did.
Love you, Shanawaz.
I do too.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome.
Not
Always say welcome.
Not
Very
mention.
good. No, not to mention so many ways are there. No.
Yes.
So, before you kick the bike, you check its fuel. Beautiful. Before you enter your house, you give the bell, or you bell it, no, or you bell. Simple, no. Please.
Before I buy something,
Okay.
check my pocket.
Very good. Before you buy something, you check your pocket
Yes.
money.
Yes.
You check your wallet, no. Before you enter the shop,
Yes.
you make sure whether you have money or not. Please.
Before I write the novel, I check my data.
Excellent. Excellent. Beautiful. Keep talking.
Yes, sir.
That is now your first question.
Before I purchase something
Okay.
and come back to home.
Before you purchase
Yes. Before I purchase.
something, I
Yes.
ask about the rate.
Yes, sir.
I check it on the internet.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Right, sir.
I check its quality on internet. Clear? I discuss it with my friends.
Right, sir.
First clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Before I cook food,
Okay.
I check all these things are available.
Very good, Usman. Before you cook food, you make sure of the availability of all the required ingredients. Clear?
Yes.
You check each and every ingredient. Ingredient is clear?
Yes.
For example, when we make tea, so what are the ingredients? Water,
Sugar.
milk, sugar,
Tea.
tea, and I also use that some spices. My friend Mr. Shahid from Jarsada, we were there together in Abu Dhabi. He's a very intelligent person, the teacher in economics now. And he used to criticize, that just by way of joke, that that the way I'm quoting the same word, जितने मिसाले रफ़ी मुझे चाय में खिलाता है जी, और इतनी मेरी माँ ने मुझे सालन में नहीं खिलाया. So again, ingredients, they vary, dish to dish, cook to cook, chef to chef, clear? Culture to culture. See, please, before,
Before I watch the movie,
okay,
before I watch the movie, I read its story.
very good. Again, this is the technique of mine as well, no?
Yes.
Before I watch some movie, I read its preview. I read its plot, P-L-O-T, plot. Clear? I read its story. Very good. Please.
Before I use computer,
Okay.
I check my computer connection.
Very good. Before you use your computer, you check its connection.
Right, sir.
You check the light, the load shedding schedule.
Yes, right.
Clear, but only 10 minutes to go before the light goes. So it's not logical not to use. If somebody is in emergency and he or she needs to check email, then it's okay, etc. Please.
Before I am go to travel,
Why I am go to? What's that? Before I go,
I go
okay, for travel, for
Travel.
journey, okay. What do you do? Before I leave for journey, what do you do?
check.
I dress up properly, I brush my teeth, I take a shower, clear, I comb my hair,
Yes, sir.
I prepare myself,
Yes.
Clear or not,
Yes.
I make all arrangements, I ensure money, the availability of money, I ensure the availability of money, clear? Again, you can say, plan it with my family.
Yes.
I know that I talk to my family so that now they can be aware of. Ji,
Before I play the cricket, I check my fitness.
very good. Before you play cricket, you check your fitness. Please, otherwise if you are unfit, God forbids, if somebody is unfit and he starts playing, again that game shall know that worsen his or her death. No, it will not give no anything. Please, so I'm changing the format
Yes,
now.
right.
I think that's clear now.
Yes, sir.
Before I open the book, I say Bismillah. Before I eat food, I say Bismillah wala barakatillah. Before I start my class, what do I say? Guess.
Before I start my class,
What is the habit of mine? Before I start my class,
before
Same it is.
I start my class, I will check the camera.
no,
I check my camera.
okay, and no, what's the habit of mine?
Yes, sir.
Habit of mine, let me know.
Bismillah Samya.
Yes.
People, see, the great scholars know, the young learners. See, that is before I start my class, no, before I start my class, no, I plan it properly.
Yes, right.
Clear? Before I start my class, no, I start my laptop. Before I start my class, now what do I do now? That I make all arrangements.
Yes, sir.
Next question. When? When I start my class, I recite أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This is the habit of mine. And there used to be my teacher when I was studying over there in the University of Punjab Law. Know that in 1999, I'm talking about the year, no, Mr. Tariq Mahmood Chaudhary. He was there in the IER department, Institute of Education and Research, IER. This was his habit, no, and unintentionally, it became the part of my personality, and really I thank my beloved teacher, Mr. Tariq Chaudhary, but this was his habit, See, when I start my class, when I recite or I say أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Please.
When I come to at Sela,
When you come to Sela, okay?
I feel very happy.
When you come to Sela, when you visit Sela, you feel happy.
Yes.
Let's see, please.
When I attend the class,
Okay, I learn a lot. I practice English. Clear? I share my ideas when I attend class. Clear? Please.
When I go to market,
Okay.
I check my pockets.
Very good. When you go to the market, you check your pocket. You protect your pocket from the pickpockets.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
So when you go to the market, but when you go to the market, you meet your friends, you visit different shops, you check the rates, you browse the shops. Browse, 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 browsing, browser.
Yes.
Browse to visit the shops,
Yes.
with the intention to see what is available and what is not available, etc. And our intention is not there to buy the things, just to have a round, a visit of the shop. That's called browsing. Clear?
Yes.
Please, next.
Window shop.
Very windows, that is proper word is browsing. Browse. Ji.
When I visit beautiful places,
Okay.
I observe the nature.
When you visit, the beautiful places, you observe the nature.
Yes.
You praise the beauty of each and everything.
Yes, right.
You praise, the beauties of that area.
Yes.
Once clear?
Yes, sir.
when I play cricket,
Okay.
I wear the sports.
Very good. When you play cricket, you wear the sports dress. Clear? The sports dress. You please.
When I visit the Spirit College,
Okay.
I check the staff members.
Very good. When you visit the Superior College, you check. You
Check.
check the faculty, the staff. Once clear?
Yes.
Staff, group of people working in some office. Staff, big stick. Staff. The difference is clear?
Yes.
Staff,
Big stick.
clear?
Yes.
And staff is a stick.
Bro-
Staff.
Staff.
Staff is a stick,
Stick.
Staff, Group again.
members.
Staff of ILM college, staff of that Spirit college, staff of Punjab college, staff of that office, there's a staff. And staff,
Being strict.
there is in the Holy Quran, Allah Almighty inquired Musa alayhi salam, Moses, what was there in his hand? Ma tilka yaminika ya Musa, O Moses, O Musa, what's there in your right hand? Qal, he said, he responded, Hiya asaya, it's my staff. Atawakkau alayha wa ahushu biha ala ghanami wa liya fiya ma'aribu. But staff, asa, sota, a big stick.
Yes.
Points clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When?
I call someone,
Okay.
I check my balance.
Very good. That's before I call.
Yes, sir. Before that.
See, don't get confused and don't confuse
Yes.
the
Yes.
meaning. When I call someone, I greet that person. I listen to him. I convey my greetings. Clear?
Yes.
I speak to him clearly. I listen to him or her attentively. Her, no need to say attentively. You are so attentive, and her, know that. When her is there, see, please.
When I start my speech,
Okay,
I check the mic.
that is before. When I start my speech,
I read.
what do you do when you start your speech?
I read it clearly.
Very good. When you start your speech, no, you feel nervous.
Yes.
No, but when you are there, no, at the peak, no, in the middle of your speech, no, you feel confident. No, it's happening. No, let's see.
When I come to Phila, I observe the nature.
Very good. You observe the nature on the way, but no, when you leave for Sila, no, when you leave for the Sila, you plan your visit, you
Yes.
plan your journey. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You start revising now the previous lesson.
Yes.
Good. See, if new format,
Yes.
you ready for that?
Yes.
If I visit a market, if I visit
In the market.
the market, I will what?
I will purchase something.
Very good.
Yes.
If I visit the market, I will purchase something.
Yes, sir.
अगर मार्केट जाऊंगा तो कुछ खरीदूंगा.
Yes.
Please. If I visit the market,
If I visit the market,
okay,
I will buy a gift for my friend.
you will buy a gift for your friend.
Yes.
Please.
If I visit the market, I will visit the different shops.
Okay, we skipped something I made a mistake that I couldn't make you narrate, the
Yes.
first part, that's the mistake, no? If he visits the market, what will he do?
If he visits
The market, what will he do? He will buy something. If Mr. Shahnawaz visits the market,
Yes, sir.
he will buy something. Now the revision of both the lessons.
Yes.
Format number one, I forgot, I couldn't make it, sorry. See, if he visits the market,
If he visits the market, he will
you forgot.
different shops. Visit the different shops.
Mohsen, what will you do if you visit the market?
Yes, sir, he is right.
Again, please.
If I visit the market,
Okay?
I will visit the different shops.
Very good. You will visit the different shops. Again, Mr. Mohsen.
If he visits the
The market.
market, he will
Okay?
visit the different
Very good. If Mr. Mohsen visits the market,
yes.
he will visit the different shop. He will visit, the electronic shop.
Yes.
He will visit the grocery. Clear?
Yes.
He will visit, the butchery,
Yes.
You ready for that?
Yes.
Okay. Let's have some other thing
Yes.
now, before we move forward, no? इतने खुश हो रहे हैं कि आवाज ही नहीं है.
मैं फिर बता देता हूँ.
Let me know,
If
please.
he visit the market,
If
if he visit the market,
he visit, what's the mistake?
Visits.
visits, if he visits market, he will buy new gift for friends. He will buy new gifts for friends, right?
चलो मान लेते हैं, please. If Mr. Mohsen,
If he visits market, he will visit some shop.
if Mr. Mohsen visits the market, he will visit the different shops. Mr. Mohsen, what is the situation, the condition over here? What is planning? What do you say about him? If he, is Mr. Shanawaz,
Visits the market.
okay?
He will purchase new.
He will purchase something. He will buy something new. Points के लिए. Okay. When I go to the butchery, when
I
I go to the butchery where meat is available. When I
butcher shop.
butchery, B-U-T-C-H-E-R-Y. If I visit the butchery, I will buy what?
Meat.
Meat.
Yes.
Don't say that I will buy shoes, no. No, donkey, etc. each and everything available, no, don't nowadays.
Nowadays.
Nowadays. So if I visit the butchery, I will buy what? Meat. If Mr. Rafi visits the butchery, he will buy meat. Please change your place of visit. Please, if I visit, if I go to, please.
If I visit butchery,
No, forget about butchery. That's over.
If I visit the government shop,
Very good. If you visit the government shop,
I will buy a shirt.
you will buy a shirt. Very good.
If I visit the,
Please.
he visits,
If he
if he visits the government.
government shop, not government shop, governments. If Mr. Mohsen Abbas visits the government shop, he will
buy a
a shirt. A shirt, come out, gentlemen, leave it. No, we practice it. No, during our that first two classes, introductory lessons.
yes.
A book, a pen, a table. Clear?
Yes, sir.
An egg, an intelligent student, an able teacher. No, clear? An apple, an application, an ink pot. We did it, no?
An idea.
Very good. An idea, excellent. No, an idea, excellent. So develop that. No, if Mr. Mohsen Abbas visits the garment shop,
He will buy a shirt.
he will buy
A shirt. A shirt.
a shirt. A shirt is a one word. No, a shirt.
A shirt.
He will buy
A shirt.
a shirt. What's about you?
if I visit zoo,
Very good. If you visit a zoo,
I will meet with different types of
you will see. No, are they your relatives? No, I will meet Mr. Monkey Day, cousin, you, fine, I will see different animals, different animals, no, please.
If he visits the zoo,
Okay? Mr. Bakari, be serious, please. Don't waste time, please. Please. Don't waste time.
he will see different animals.
Very good. If Mr. Shanawaz visits, no, छुपने कितनी आदत है ये छुपने के सामने रहो अपनी पोजीशन को छोड़ दो एक तो ये तुसी ये डांस करेगा ये छोड़ दिया
Yes, sir.
if Mr. Mohsen visits a zoo he will see different animals.
Yes.
What's about you?
If I visit the shoes shop,
Okay.
I will buy a pair of shoes.
If you visit the shoe mart.
Shoe mart.
What?
Shoe mart.
If you visit the shoe mart, you will buy a pair of shoes. Very good. No, please.
If he visits shoe shop. Sir, if he visits shoe shop,
Shoe mart.
he will purchase new shoe,
A pair of shoes.
a pair of shoe.
If Mr. Usman Ali visits what? A shoe mart, he will buy a pair of shoes.
Shoes, right?
Most better. Please, no, come out from no, you are not now the
If
teacher.
Mr. Great Shah Nawaz visits the zoo.
No, not think about yourself first. Let me know.
Okay, sir.
If you visit,
If I visit the
okay.
If-
No, yours is over. No,
Actually-
even your narration is over.
Oh.
Please,
if I visit the
hurry up! Don't waste time. College, university,
Garden.
park, garden, clear?
Yes.
Grocery, where vegetables are available now. Medical store, pharmacy.
if I visit the home,
If you visit your home, okay,
I will check the door is open or not.
very good. You will check now the door whether it is open
Or not.
or not. Whether it is open or not. तो नजर ना सी दरवाजा खुलो से दूर नजर हाँ शायद वो locked है. Whether it is locked or not. Open तो दूर नजर आना भाई. Now if you visit your home, now you will check the door whether it is locked
Or not.
or not. तो कुछ सौखी नहीं गल कोई यार say something easy no. भाई और narrate करना please.
Narrate कर.
If I visit
If I visit.
घर ही जाना छोड़ दो जिस घर तो बाहर निकलो. If you want to learn something no,
Yes, sir.
just keep visiting no different areas.
If I visit the.
If I visit नहीं वो तो तुसी इन्हें छोड़ दो तो तुसी खेलो ना जोड़ते. If I visit the park,
Yes.
if I visit the garden, no, be open, no, expand,
Yes.
please.
If I visit the park,
If you visit the park,
I will see the flowers.
you will see the flower. You will enjoy, no, over there. You will meet your friends, clear?
Yes, sir.
And you will carry out different activities, clear?
Yes.
Please.
If sir, narration.
जी.
If he visits the park,
If he,
visits the park,
okay,
he will observe the nature. Sir, फिर क्या बोला सर? Problem.
जल्दी भी क्या बनी? Okay. You are to narrate now. It's your turn, no?
Yes.
Narration. Or your turn. You will narrate, no?
Okay, sir.
See, Usman,
Yes.
if I visit, hurry up it, please.
If I visit the garden,
If you visit the garden,
I will
hurry up.
saw many people.
You will see, I will see better V1. No, it speaks of
Yes.
your preparation, no? You didn't prepare it, no? See, if you visit the garden, you will see different people.
Yes.
Read.
And Mr. Usman Ali, if Mr. Usman Ali visits the garden,
Okay.
he will see the different people.
He will see different people.
Yes.
no? If he visits the garden, if he visits the park, he will see many people. Clear?
Yes.
Please.
If I visit library,
Oh, very good.
I search different types of books.
I will.
I will search different types of books.
This was our yesterday's lesson.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you visit the library, you will search for different books.
Different.
You will borrow the new books.
New book, right.
You will return the borrowed books.
Yes, sir.
The borrowed books.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Once clear?
Clear, sir.
You will read the books.
Yes, sir.
You will consult the books.
Book, right.
You will consult the reference books.
Yes, sir.
Reference books. जी.
If if Mr. Shah Nawaz visits the library,
Okay.
he will cite the different books.
Very good. Library. Library. We did it now.
Yes, sir.
If Mr. Shahnawaz visits the library, he will search for the books. He will borrow the books. He will return the books. Clear?
Yes.
He will consult the books. Thank you very much. That was no previous lesson. We are going to add, you know that what? Guess what would be done today? Guess. Hurry up, hurry up. Guess what would be done today? Supplement. Do you remember?
Yes.
I play, I don't play. I eat, I don't eat. I eat lawful food, I don't eat unlawful food. I respect everybody. I don't disrespect anybody. Clear?
Yes.
I encourage everybody. I don't discourage anybody. That was no. Again, same as the case with lesson with format number 2. I will, and over here that is supplement A module 1.
Is it on?
Supplement A. No, we did it. No,
Sir, it is on. What? Is it on?
it's on. No, what do you say? It's on. No, nothing shall happen with it. Inshallah. No. So supplement.
I will check it. It's
What?
on or not.
No, thank you very much. See, this, don't do it. No, it's against the manners of the books. Don't.
Yes.
Don't.
Yes.
This is dog here. No. See, you can keep the small piece of page over it, the paper over it, not page. We have done that,
Yes.
but you didn't take. See, this is today's question. What's the date today? Is 8th October. See, today's question is, what won't you do? What
What you do?
Yesterday we discussed the question, what will you do? Clear? That was, I will speak the truth, I will know that meet different people, I will surf the internet. No, still you are not clear. You are not visible. Okay.
Now it's clear.
Now you're visible. Okay. See, what will you read? I will read the newspaper. What will you watch? I will watch movies. Clear? 2 days. It's totally opposite. What won't you do? Won't, you can see. W-O-N, then this, no, the apostrophe is there, no, then there is apostrophe, don't you can say, you can, what do you call it, no? What do you call it, no? What? I'm forgetting. Okay, leave it. What's the word?
Won't.
Won't. What? Won't. I forgot, no, the proper name. Okay. I'll now check it now and let you know tomorrow. W-O-N, then is some sort of comma is there, then T.
Yes, sir.
Won't is a short form of will not.
Will not, right, sir.
And this such short form is called contraction. And keep in mind that use of contraction is not allowed in
Writing. Writing.
IELTS examination when you attempt the writing section.
Yes.
Points clear?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
The use of contraction, and contraction is like isn't, aren't, don't, doesn't, won't. Points clear?
Yes.
But as far as speaking is concerned,
We use construction, sir.
it looks very attractive.
Yes.
But in written section, in writing section, it is not allowed.
Yes, sir.
So keep this point in mind now. See, won't. What won't you do? Let me know.
I won't.
Okay. What won't you do?
I won't tell a lie.
You won't tell a lie, but you won't stand properly. In short.
No, sir.
अच्छा शुक्र है. Say, you won't tell a lie.
Yes.
Please, what does he say?
He
What does he say? Something new, very, very important. Mr. Usman says
It doesn't.
that Mr. Usman, see this is module number 5 I am
Yes,
touching
yes.
today.
Mr. Usman says that
He won't,
tell a lie.
very good. Mr. Usman Ali says that he won't tell a lie. Please.
I won't tease anyone.
Very good. Mr. Shahnawaz says that he won't tease anyone. Points clear?
Yes.
Won't, will not. He won't tease anyone. Mohsin.
I won't read unmoral stories.
Very good. Mr. Mohsin Abbas says that he won't read the immoral stories. But how will you come to know that the story is immoral or moral before reading it?
First page read, then we know about the story.
No. For example, without reading,
Yes.
how can we guess, how can we come to know that the story which is over there, that is moral or immoral?
I check with its preview.
Preview, very good. No. Good idea. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
So you will check, no, even the preview, if some immorality is there, no, immoral words are there, even there are chances, no, that they will affect. But it happens, no problem. But good idea, you will avoid, no.
Yes.
Generally we have idea that the person A writes no immoral stories, no negative stories, no disheartening stories. The people know.
Yes, sir.
But we should try to read each and everything, no, which is available, no. And then Allah Almighty has blessed us, no, gifted us with that talent, no.
A page on Javed Chaudhary on Facebook.
Okay,
He shows the different news on the Facebook.
okay,
In one day, I think 10 to 13 news.
okay.
I just read 2 or 3 lines. I know about this story.
Very good, good.
In which one interested, I read full story.
Excellent, excellent. No, you know about, no, for example, somebody tells you about the story, and if that story affects you, know that even know the first 2 or 3 lines, you start reading it. Good idea. Okay, please. Let me know. You are in the mosque.
Yes, sir.
During your stay in the mosque, what won't you do?
I won't speak loudly.
You won't speak loudly. It's your turn now to narrate. Ji.
Mr. Shahnawaz says he wouldn't
Says
speak loudly.
Okay, wait. Please narrate.
Mr. Shahnawaz says that he wouldn't speak loudly.
Why wouldn't? Who tell you wouldn't? I didn't say
Won't,
would.
sir.
Won't, will not.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Won't is the contraction of 2 words, and those 2 words are will and not.
Yes.
Mr. Shahnawaz says that he won't speak loudly in the mosque.
Yes.
Was clear?
Yes.
Please, what won't you do in the mosque?
I won't enter the mosque with dirty clothes.
Very good. You won't enter the mosque, no, with dirty clothes. Let's see, during your stay. Okay, to some extent. Ji.
Mr. Abbas says
Mr.
that
Mohsin Abbas
says that he won't.
Enter the mosque with dirty clothes.
Yes.
Even when we are outside the mosque, we should avoid the use of dirty clothes, shoes, even no. A believer is always neat and clean. Clear? We should avoid. Please, what won't you do?
I want to use cell phone in mosque.
In the mosque.
Yes.
You won't use the cell phone, the mobile phone in the mosque.
Yes.
Please.
He says that he won't use mobile phone in the mosque.
Okay, thank you very much. See, let me know. You will leave this place
Yes, sir.
at now that 11:24 today. Our session started at 10:24. From your departure till your arrival at home. Clear? From Ceylon to your home on the way. What won't you do, please? The question is clear?
Yes, sir.
What are the activities which you will not carry out, which you will not perform or do? What won't you do?
I won't visit any place.
You won't visit any place. Directly you will go your home.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
You won't go elsewhere.
Yes.
You won't visit any place.
Yes.
What does he say?
Mr. Mohsen Abbas says that he won't visit any place.
Clear?
Yes.
What's about you?
I won't drive fast, very fast bike.
Very good. You won't drive the motorbike very fast.
Right, sir.
You won't drive what?
Yes.
Don't disturb the order. What? Where? When? How? Why? Please.
Right.
You won't drive what? The motorbike. How? Very fast. Please.
Mr. Shah Nawaz says that he won't drive
The motorbike very fast.
Yes.
What's about you, please? You ready?
Yes.
You're ready. Let's see now. I'll make it know that. Let's make check it now. Please, gentleman, it's your turn now.
I won't.
What won't you do on your way, to the house, to your residence?
I want conversation with unknown people.
What's that? Converse.
Converse.
You won't converse with the strangers. Clear?
Yes.
Let's see, this is your point of view. You won't converse with the strangers.
Yes.
Mr. Usman says that he won't converse
With the strangers.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Usman Ali says that he won't converse with the strangers.
The strangers, right, sir.
Please. No. What won't you do?
I won't drive fast.
You won't drive fast. Very good. No.
Mr. Mohsen says that he won't drive fast.
Very good. Now it's your turn to narrate.
Okay, sir.
Clear? He has narrated. Mr. Shadwaz has also narrated. Now it's your turn. What won't you do?
I won't.
Hurry up, don't waste time, please. Please. Okay.
I want on the light.
Okay. You won't switch on the light.
Yes, sir.
You won't turn on the light. I think that's turn on and turn off.
Yes.
Check your.
Yes, sir.
There's a turn on, I think, no?
Yes.
Yes.
You won't turn on the light.
Right.
Clear?
Yes.
Please.
Mr. Shahnawaz says he will.
Mr. Shahnawaz says
that he won't turn a light.
turn on the light because it's day, no, and the sunshine, and if he turns it off, no, it doesn't make any sense, no?
Yes, sir.
Please.
I won't use
Mobile phone, very good, during driving. You won't use the mobile phone during driving.
Yes.
Ji.
Mr. Usman Ali says that he won't use mobile phone during driving.
Very good. Next thing.
Yes.
Different activities are there, no? The days to come, no, still long, no, that you can say time is there, no, in your life, no. Keeping, no, the coming life in your mind. Let me know what won't you do and how. The question is clear?
Yes, sir.
For example, let's begin from now, because time starts from now. So you can say, I won't speak English improperly.
Yes.
What's clear? I won't speak English nervously.
You're right.
Still clear or not?
Clear.
Sure. I won't speak English improperly, which means that I will speak English properly. Clear? Please. Shanwas.
I won't hurt anyone
Okay. Intentionally.
intentionally, right, sir.
You won't hit hurt anyone intentionally, and unintentionally it happens, no, that the people they get hurt, no. For example, I say something and rest of the people know, no, amongst a huge gathering someone is there, no, who doesn't like that, but and he gets hurt, but my intention was not there to hurt that particular person.
Right.
There's no problem. But even then, when we come to know that someone has been hurt, no, by our words, so we should feel proud to say sorry. And this is the commandment of Allah Almighty. It is there in the Holy Quran.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear.
Say sorry to someone, whether no you hurt him intentionally or unintentionally. So you won't hurt anyone unintentionally. What does he say?
Mr. Shahnawaz says that he won't hurt anyone
Anyone?
intentionally. Unintentionally. Hurts.
Intentionally.
Intentionally. Mr. Shahnawaz says that he won't hurt anyone with his intention.
Yes.
With his intention means intentionally. What won't you do in the days to come?
I won't speak
Okay,
loudly.
you won't speak loudly, impolitely, harshly,
Yes, sir.
bitterly, illogically, irrationally, improperly. Clear?
Yes.
You won't speak
Loudly.
loudly.
Yes.
Please,
Mr. Usman Ali says that he won't speak loudly.
loudly. And what's about you?
I won't read uncarefully.
Very good. You won't read, no, uncarefully. Means you will read carefully. Clear? Or it's you won't read unattentively.
Yes.
Means that you will read attentively. Points clear? Please.
Mr. Mohsin Abbas says that he won't read uncarefully.
Won't read uncarefully, no? So just practice few words like that, no? Share, no? Everybody will share one word like that. Logically, rationally,
Yes.
properly. I'll be back now. Hurry up. Share the words. Now that there are 1,197 words.
Yes, sir.
Now share them. Oh, simple word, one by one.
Potentially.
Logically, beautifully, greatly,
Attractive.
attractively. Tell me,
Hopeful.
hopefully,
Hopefully.
Carefully.
Carefully.
other is yes,
Lovingly.
Great. Hopefully.
Hopefully, very good. Lovingly.
Gratefully.
What?
Great.
Gratefully, very good. Gratefully. Please.
minorly,
Minorly. What says minorly? Mannerly.
Yes.
Not minorly. Mannerly. With manners. Ji. This is not writing. Please.
Lovely.
Lovely and lovingly. Please. This proper word is lovingly. How? Lovely. That is now, how is that? It is lovely. Lovely dress. Lovely. But we are talking about, you know, the actions.
Yes.
That is lovingly. I will speak lovingly. Means I will speak with love. I will talk lovingly. Points clear? I will meet the people lovingly. Please. Okay,
Carefully.
let's.
Softly.
Carefully.
softly,
Softly. See. Next question. Are you feeling bored?
no sir,
No.
Frankly, let me know, no? That's very, very important, because without that, you know, the format, it shall remain, now that incomplete. That's why we're trying, you know, to keep adding, you know, these supplements. No?
Yes.
The concept of when is clear.
Yes, sir.
When. I won't make a noise during the class.
Yes.
When is clear?
yes,
When. Sure?
Yes.
Please. Hurry up.
I won't go when I am sick.
Very good. I won't go to any place when I am sick.
Yes.
But one place you will have to go. That is hospital.
Yes.
That is clinic now. Clear?
Yes.
I won't go anywhere when I am sick.
Yes.
I won't go anywhere except clinic or hospital. Ji.
I won't use mobile when my cell phone is off.
Very good. No, you won't use the cell phone when the cell phone is off. Subhanallah.
Yes, sir.
I won't use the mobile phone during the class.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
During.
Clear? When I am in the mosque.
Yes. During.
Once clear? Please.
I won't visit any place when I am tired.
When I'm tired. Very good. You won't visit any place when you're tired. Then what will you do? I will take rest when I'm tired. Once clear?
Yes.
Next please. Next please. Your turn. I won't.
I want.
You're supposed to focus on when.
Yes.
No, we discussed many whens.
Yes, sir.
Clear? At 1 o'clock, at 2 o'clock, at 1 p.m., at 1 a.m., at 1:30 a.m., at 2:45 p.m. We did so many whens. When, during, then when I am fit, and so on. Please.
I won't watch video
Okay?
when I am busy.
Very good. You won't watch the video when you are busy. Clear?
Yes.
Please.
I won't play any game when I am sick.
Very good. Beautiful. You won't play any game when you are sick.
Yes.
Then what will you do? You will take rest.
Yes.
You will take proper rest. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You will follow the prescription of the doctor.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Jim.
I won't take exercise at 1 p.m.
Very good. You won't take exercise at 1 p.m. No, at midday, at noon, no, in the sunshine. Clear?
Yes.
In the heat, like that. No. Clear? Like that. Please.
I won't read newspaper
Okay.
when
When?
I am studying.
When? Why I am studying? It means you are making your still concepts are not clear as far as format number 1 is concerned. Why I am studying? Wrong.
I won't read
I won't newspaper. When?
during.
Okay.
At.
During my duty.
Yes. During.
As we see so many people, no, the officers, they are reading the newspaper, no, when they are on duty.
Yes.
There's a huge, a grey, you can say very huge line is there, no, big line is there, no, that you told, and what number of people are waiting for the officer, and the great officer is sitting in his office and reading the newspaper. Clear? He is appointed or he or she is employed, no, to carry out the work. The newspaper he can read before he leaves for the office. The newspaper he can read, no, after his duty. So you won't read the newspaper during your duty. Very good. Jim.
I won't eat food when I am not hungry.
Very good. You won't eat food when you are not hungry. Excellent. No, please.
I won't disturb
You won't disturb others. You won't disturb others.
when I play the cricket.
Very good. No, when you play cricket. This I think is not logical sentence. I couldn't understand it. Some other please.
I won't buy anything when I am at home.
I won't use cell phone during
During?
the drive.
Okay, during driving. Let's see. The last one. Why? Please. I won't, and then V1, and then let me know the reason of that. Please. Should I give us an example?
I won't.
Try.
I won't respect.
I won't respect.
I won't disrespect anyone.
Okay, why? I won't disrespect anybody. Why?
It's against Islam.
Very good. Very good, Osman. I won't disrespect anybody because it's against Islam. because it's against the teachings of God, teachings of the Quran, because it is unethical.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Because it is immoral, the story we're talking about.
Yeah.
Because it's against the etiquette. Very good. Ji.
I want to hurt anyone.
Okay?
It's not good for manner.
Because it's against the manner.
Manner, right, sir.
You won't hurt anybody because it's against the manners. Clear? Please.
I won't use cell phone in the
Okay.
mosque because
Okay?
it's not allowed.
Very good. You won't use the mobile phone in the mosque because
It is
it
not.
is or it's not allowed. Clear?
Yeah.
Because it doesn't make any sense. Do you remember?
Yes.
Don't of us. Because it doesn't make any sense.
Yes.
In the mosque, why we were there? To offer prayers, no? To worship Allah Almighty, no? To bow before Him, to prostrate before Him. Clear? We're not over there, no? Well, no, just as a matter of 15, no, there's maximum 15 minutes or 20
Yes.
minutes. Offer prayers. Now keep your mobile phone at silent mode,
Yes.
not powered off. Silent mode, no? And it's a matter of 15 minutes. After that, no, you can see the one who tried to call you or called you or send you text, no, during that time, and you can come aware of that.
Yes.
And you can respond. So simple.
Yes.
Yes.
There will be no disturbance as far as praise is concerned. And okay, leave it. Please.
I won't purchase mobile
Okay.
because I have already.
Very good. You won't buy no some other mobile because you already have someone or you already have no you already have it.
Yes.
Clear? Ji.
I won't break the traffic rules
Okay.
because it's against.
Okay, against the law.
Law.
Against the law. Clear? Because it can create problem. Because it can cause accidents. Clear?
Yes.
Because it can no leave it time short.
I won't drive fast because it is harmful for me.
Very good. You won't drive fast because it is harmful for you and others as well. Accident takes place, so there's no one person, the two parties, no. So it is harmful for you and for others. Ji. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
I won't tell a lie
You won't tell a lie, okay?
because not because against Islam.
Okay. See, something new is the introduction of module number 3. So, I think we attempted it
Yes,
now.
sir.
Yes.
Have to.
So, we are doing something. This is now 20, model number 27, no?
Yes, sir.
Module number 3. See, you want to improve your English communication skills. What should you do to improve it? Please. Points clear? You want to improve your English communication skill. My question is very simple. What should you do to improve it, please?
I should speak again and again.
Very good. No, see, short and then there is V1 and the rest of the things are the same. What, whom, where, when, why and so on. Clear? So you should speak
Again.
English again and again.
Yes, sir.
You should practice English again and again.
Right, sir.
You should speak English with your friends again and again. Please.
I should watch English video.
Very good. You should watch English videos, English movies, English talk shows, English TV programs, English news. Clear?
Yes.
Listen to English as much as possible, and as a result, your English shall get improved.
Improvements.
Okay?
I should read the English newspaper.
Very good. You should read the English newspaper, English books, English novels, English dramas. There are available in written form and the scripts are there. Please, what else should we do to improve our English? We should.
I should avoid English mistakes.
Very good. Avoid.
Avoid, yes.
So, no avoidance, that is something very good idea, but you can say we should avoid the repetition of mistake.
Yes.
We should avoid what?
Repetition.
The repetition of the mistake.
Right.
Making mistakes is no problem.
Yes.
From mistakes we learn a lot.
Right, sir.
But repetition of mistake, really, that is real, no, a point, no, to be worried, no.